So I made this coffee, soft drinks, vending machine, cut up type. They got all sorts of stuff. Mocha, the berries.
ではお願いします。厨房に刺身お願いします。
La la la. La la la. La la la. Corn. But look at the price, it's 80 yen. So it's like 80 cents, it's really cheap. I think I want to try the corn. So I believe you put money in here. And then you pick that. Now, that is a question. And then it will come out from there. Huh. Okay. So let me try this one. So let me get my money out. Okay. So I have my 500 yen. I'm gonna put in there. Okay, so let's say 500. Something is happening. I say I'm gonna want this one. And there's a cup. I think money is coming out down there. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my money. And then you see it's making, I think it's done. Okay, it's dipping, so it's done. So let me take it out. You open the door. I'm sure it's hot. So you get it. It's so warm. Okay. Here is my smoking. Can you tell the smoke coming out? Corn thing smells so good. Oh, let me smell it. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. So yeah, I will drink it. What does it say? National vending. How about 1 cup of coffee? Well, I don't care about coffee. Anyway, bye.